In this episode, we'll be monitoring and troubleshooting a custom service with Journalctl. The first thing you want to do is to create the service. I'll call it my service.service and I'll create it using Nano, right? Next, I put the code in it, the service code, and one thing you want to be sure of is that when you paste it, those sections are green: the unit, the service, and the install, right? If they are not green, it means you have spaces around them, so you try to fix that. Right now, I want to create error logs because I'm not supposed to enable it until I've created my script, the .sh script, because the service needs the script to run. And I'm creating the logs now because that's what this video is about. It's about having logs. Now, I check the status and it says failed. So clearly in my logs, there should be logs there telling me that I did something that didn't work, right? Good. Alright, now it's time to create the script and fix our error. The name of my script is my service script.sh, right? So I will clear the page now and create our script, sudo nano, and that's the code for the script. And the code is a loop that prints out custom service is running now every 10 seconds, right? And that will be it. And as soon as we fix this script, we check our status again, that error will no longer be there. Meanwhile, we are building logs, we are building error logs, and with time we will use the command line to check for those error logs. All right. Now we have to make the script executable. Yeah, after making the script executable, we do our sudo systemctl start, and we're starting the service again, and then we are going to check the status, and it will be fixed. And why is it fixed? It is fixed because we connected the script with the service. The service needs the script to work. If you check the service code, you will see there's a line there that says executable, and the path to the script is there, so it needs the script to run. So now we're checking the log files. You'll see these are the initial error we created, right? And yeah, that's it. Red and yellow everywhere. So you scroll down, press your Q to exit, and then we run the code again, the journal my service, but this time we use the pipe command and less command so that we can go through the logs like pages. Now this is the error part of the log, the first part. If you scroll down, you see the code is running now, has started working. Yeah, look at it at the bottom here. The service is running now because we fixed it. Now there's another way to cause error, which is going to the code and spoiling the code in the script. Initially we did not have a script, right? And it created this error. Now let's go to the code and create an error from the script. Yeah, the best way to create an error here will be to I'm thinking about the echo, removing the... No. I won't do that. I think the best way to create an error will be to change the true there to something divided by 0. Anything divided by 0 is infinite and it'll produce an error, so that will be the best thing to do. Now that we've changed our script code, we have to restart our service, right? So that the changes can take effect. Now, if we check the status, we'll see that it's no longer active. There's now an error. Status shows the error, as you can see. It says failed, active failed, because we changed the code and we replace the true with the infinite, that's divided by 0. Yeah, so now we check the log, we see the error. So you see the new error, right? As you can see, service was running and then now we have error. Okay, right? So as you can see, Journalctl shows us the logs. It helps us pass through it. This is it. Custom service is running and now there's error. Journalctl shows us the logs and help us evaluate our logs for errors. Now we're about to fix our error we created, put true back there, and when we use the Journalctl to check, you'll see that a custom service is running now, will be there in the log, right? I'm confirming that it's properly written. So we fixed our code, and for that fixing to take effect, we have to start our service again. We've done that. Now when we check the log, let's check the status first to be sure that it's working now. It should be active. Yes, it is. Now we go check the log and we'll see that all those errors have stopped and it is working properly now. Scroll down. See that? Okay, that was the first time we fixed it. Now the second time we fixed it. That's it. Custom service is running now, as you can see.